Now we're at the last one. We will do it again. And remember, the thing is just to make sure that we are good at doing every step. Okay, we have to be good at doing the order. So what is the first thing we do? We rewrite the function. F of q is 144 minus q squared. The moment I see them say they want average rate of change, I go and look for my two quantities. Here it's 4,000 and 4,010. So I'm going to say Q1, I'll say let Q1 be equal to 4,000 and Q2 be equal to 4,010. Now I'm going to say F of Q1 is going to be equal to 144 minus Q1 squared. Okay, because where there is Q, I'm now putting Q1. Then that means now F of what is my Q1? 4,000. I now know what it is. It's going to be 144 minus 4,000 all squared. And this just gives me negative 15,999,856. Then I can skip two lines. I say F of Q2 would be 144 minus Q2 squared. This would be 144 minus, I can now put my F of Q2. It's F of 4,010. This is 144 minus 4,010 all squared. Okay? Then we go on to calculate now. And here, what do we get? Here we get negative 16,079,956. That's what we get. Now, what are we going to do? We have them both. We are now just going to say average. The moment, because we know this is for average rate of change. Average rate of change. Not just the rate of change, but the average. Not the instantaneous, but the average. For rate of change, we have average and we have instantaneous. Average is very easy. It's change in y over change in q, sorry. It's not change in x now. I don't know why I've been saying change in x. It is change in q. We have it as a function of q. So it's change in y over change in q. Okay? Make sure you put change in y over change in q, not the others. There we go. Now, anyway, let's do this last one. Change in y over change in q, which is going to be f of q2 minus f of q1 all over q2 minus q1. And this becomes equal to f of q2. What did we have it as? Negative 16,079,956 minus f of q1 is negative 15,999,856. Okay, and this is going to be all divided by q2 4,010 minus q1, which is 4,000. Okay, there we go. Now what are we going to get here? We get negative 8010. That is what we are going to get. Negative 8,010. So we have negative 8,010 is the final solution for this, and you would be done with this part. How easy is it? Now we'll go to part B, which is instantaneous, and we see how we can get it again. Goodbye for now. See you in the next one.